and your job is to help make your school or your country, local community, a better place. Let's think about how you can fix it. Okay, but also think about why is this problem that you have, this mistake in our local area, why is it important? Because we have to think, is it only going to affect you? Everybody. Yeah, there should be something that's going to affect everybody.
The Community Hero Project is an activity where students learn about the people in their community and how they make a positive difference in their lives.
The problem that I'm trying to solve is littering.
My problem is that people will keep smoking.
So what the students are going to do is they're going to find a problem in their community, and then they're going to have to think about how this problem affects not only them, but the people in their community. And then afterwards, they have to find a realistic solution on how to solve the problem. You said no smoking, right? So the rights is connected to which problem? The safety, the fairness, or education?
Safety.
Yeah, see? They have the right to be safe. Through this activity, students will develop important skills like critical thinking, and then also through this activity, they should be able to understand and have respect for the people in their community. This hands-on activity is supposed to help them think about the realistic problems they actually face, and then they're supposed to use those problems and bring it out to the real world and think about how it's actually affecting them and think of actual realistic solutions to solve them. Kenneth, please tell us your presentation.
The problem that we're trying to solve is littering. The rights that we have are fairness and having a clean and healthy environment. We have responsibilities to keep the environment clean and healthy and reduce waste. Our solution, carry disposable bags everywhere you go, and if you have some trash, just put it inside, and once you find a trash can, put it inside. But if there's no trash cans around, we're going to install every 10 meters one trash can, so for easy disposal. Our motto, pick it up, don't throw it down. Thank you.
Woo! Very cool, very nice.